Morning. I got to run up to the storage unit to grab some fertilizer for the yard today. I figured I'd let you know how the month has been going. When you're starting up your business, you need to plan for breakdowns ahead of time. Because this month I've had a lot of repairs that I've had to do, and I haven't had to put any of it on a credit card. I haven't had to finance anything. I've just been able to plan them out, save the money to do it, and still be able to pay my bills. So what I did is, first we had my, you're gonna bounce around a little bit. I see the camera shaking. You're up on the dashboard. But I had my sway bar links that broke. I had ball joints go bad. I've had to swap out the tie rods on the front end, both sides, inner and outers. And all of that cost money that luckily I had saved specifically for just in case something breaks down. So as the money was coming in, I know how much our monthly budget is for the household to pay all of the bills, the electric bill, the gas bill, gas in the vehicles, all of that stuff. I know how much that's going to be because my wife and I, we sit down and we make a detailed budget every month. So I was saving up the money that I needed for the budget. And once we had that money, I said, okay, anything over this can go towards repairs that are needed. And that's exactly how it's worked out. I looked up all of the parts, and I know, okay, it's going to be this much for the ball joints. So once I got that extra money built up above our budgeted amount, I got the ball joints. And then I said, okay, next phase, I need tie rods. Got a parts list together. Once that amount of money came in, I got the tie rods, and I fixed them up on my days off to where I didn't have any lawns to do. Next up was the trailer brakes. I'll have to make a video on that because I didn't know about the maintenance that's involved for your trailer brakes. There is regular maintenance that needs to be done on them for them to work properly, and this camera keeps shifting. There's regular maintenance that needs to be done on your trailer brakes that I didn't know about. So I now have to replace all of the trailer brake components. So I saved up the amount of money that I need. I got a parts list together. I knew what price it was going to be, and I ordered those. They should be here in a few days, so then I can do that. So just remember that everything that you use in lawn care is a mechanical machine. All mechanical machines are gonna break down. That's just how it is. Whether it's parts that break frequently that need to be maintained and replaced, or if it's bigger components, at some point all mechanical things will fail. So keep that in mind as you're going through your business. Know that at some point, hey, I need to save up for brakes on the truck. I need to have the money or the materials on hand to do oil changes. Just all of that stuff. Plan for that stuff to go. That way you can have the money set aside for it. Don't wait until something breaks to then start saving, because that's how people get into debt. They're going down the road and they blow a tire and they go, ah, crap, I don't have any money for a tire. So then they put it on a credit card or they'll finance something. Save up for that stuff ahead of time so that you don't have the amount of downtime. Because for every minute that you have downtime with broken equipment or repairs that need to be done so you can't use that piece of equipment, that's costing you money, it's costing you time. So save ahead for those items. Oil changes, tire repairs, tire replacement, spark plugs, brakes, stuff for your machines. just know that that stuff is going to fail. There's always maintenance items that need to be checked on all of your equipment and your truck. So save up for it ahead of time. So now, I have the budgeted amount. I'm not willing to risk that. And I know that this stuff was coming. So I saved up and I'm buying it in phases. That way, the machines, the truck is getting fixed. But I know at the end of the month, I'm going to have exactly as much as I need for next month's budget already set to the side. So not as exciting of a video today. I don't really have any equipment to show you how to fix or something like that. This is just a little bit of business tips. You don't want to go into debt for your business, because if the money stops coming in, say winter time, or you have a rainy week to where money's not coming in, well, if you have payments, those payments are still expected to go out. So don't put yourself in that situation. Run your business debt-free, save up cash, and plan for things ahead of time. That way, when something breaks, you know exactly what it's going to need, you know exactly how much it's going to cost, and you already have it. So that's all I got for you today. I'm going to get back to work. Y'all be good.